Hi, I'm Andy Crouppen with the law firm of Brown & Crouppen. Have you been exposed to asbestos? If you're like millions of Americans, you probably think asbestos has been banned. It hasn't. Asbestos is still used in many commercial and consumer products. When asbestos dust is inhaled or swallowed, it can cause damage to the lung, heart, or other internal organs. It can cause mesothelioma, asbestosis, and other serious health problems. Workers in some industries are at the highest risk. Construction workers, miners, auto mechanics, roofers, factory workers, electricians, shipyard and railroad workers. These are just some of the jobs that routinely expose American workers to asbestos. It isn't just workers, though. Asbestos fibers are so toxic that workers' families may also be at risk. Asbestos particles that cling to a worker's clothing, shoes, skin, and hair can also be inhaled by family members. This minimal secondary exposure can lead to all of the same asbestos-related injuries. It can take decades for symptoms to appear. Early symptoms can include shortness of breath, a feeling of heaviness in the chest, unexplained weight loss, and nausea. If you have any of these symptoms and believe you may have been exposed to asbestos, please tell your doctor. Don't ignore early symptoms. If you've been hurt by asbestos, here are some things you should know. Mesothelioma, asbestosis, and other asbestos-related illnesses are not accidents. They're completely preventable diseases. The federal government started warning manufacturers in the 1930s about the dangers of asbestos. Manufacturers didn't try to fix it. They tried to hide it. They've challenged even minimal regulation over the use of asbestos, and their lawyers are always looking for imaginative ways to duck responsibility. Don't fight them all by yourself. They have lawyers, you should too. We've learned to work harder and smarter on our asbestos injury files to get injured workers and their families the compensation they deserve. We may be able to help you even if your employer or the manufacturer has gone out of business. At Brown & Crouppen, our experienced team of asbestos lawyers provides tough, aggressive representation for victims and their families. If you have questions, call us at the number below. We're here to help. The call is free, and as always, if you don't get paid, we don't get paid.